In this video, we will explore top design styles for technical solutions overview.
Changing markets. But the information you need to manage your investments is often spread across multiple systems. So you're forced to use spreadsheets and manual workarounds to see a holistic view of your portfolio. Stale and incomplete views of your holdings and risk exposure can leave you open to missed opportunities.
Accurate fraud prevention platform, powered by machine learning technology and more than 1 billion transactions from across the globe. So you can approve more orders, pay zero chargebacks, and maximize your bottom line. With Riskified as your strategic e-commerce partner, give yourself the peace of mind to unlock your full growth potential.
Equipment produces essential data used with digital apps to locally monitor the installation. It can also be sent to the cloud and crunched 24/7 by artificial intelligence to produce analytics, reports, and support decision-making. Data is integrated with advanced analytics and global expert knowledge from our connected service.
We don't ask, what's the best way to help people govern and manage the cloud? We instead ask, what's your world like after you've achieved a well-governed, well-managed cloud? What can you do? You pursue innovation in the cloud. You scale and grow with ease. You increase agility.
Users to any resource with cloud-delivered network security powered by 11 SASE services. Provide clientless zero-trust access to corporate applications simply from a web browser. Protect users from the most sophisticated zero-day attacks while they are browsing the internet or using their emails and collaborate.
Water early. Water in the morning so your plant's leaves will have plenty of time to dry. Disease loves wet foliage. Miracle tip number 2. Test the soil. Stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. Containers will need to be watered more often than in-ground gardens.
Decisions your company depends on. But what happens when the data is wrong? Bad data wastes time and resources, erodes trust, and results in lost or missed revenue. Companies lose millions of dollars per year due to bad data. From missed opportunities, to misallocated marketing budgets, to inaccurate reports.
For the past 5 years, she's been living in social housing. During this time, thanks to the lower than the market average rent, she managed to save around 4,000 euros per year. So she was able to attend a training course, while her kid was at the kindergarten managed by her housing provider within the same complex.
Join forces with AlayaCare today and see how to automate away repetitive tasks once and for all. Get back to what matters most for your home care agency, growing and supporting your team and patients. Visit our website and learn more today.
On an arbitrary schedule using inefficient routes. With no data, collections are based on a lot of speculation. At any given time, waste bins vary in fill levels, ranging from overflowing, partially filled, to completely empty. This guesswork can be eliminated by clean
and instant messages. And quickly inspect them with built-in Relativity One features like analytics and data visualization. These tools can help you save time and zero in on relevant information within huge amounts of data, confident that you won't miss that critical piece of evidence. Relativity One lets you work more efficiently, saving you
that automates any smart contract for you on blockchains like Ethereum. Developers use Gelato to automate thousands of transactions, moving millions of dollars every day. Gelato is controlled by GEL token holders. You, as a token holder, vote on improvements and make sure the bots adhere to the rules of the network.
Deploy SSH keys directly from 1Password in just a few clicks. No need to look up keygen commands or remember passphrases. 1Password in the browser autofills your public keys into popular tools like GitHub to accelerate setup. Then you can use the 1Password SSH agent to authenticate your Git
and infrastructure for fast, secure performance. Available in the AWS Marketplace, the Denodo platform decouples data access from the complexities of the underlying sources. Empower your teams with self-service and real-time access to quality data, freeing up IT to focus on strategic initiatives.
This integration allows you to bring together your company's expense data in one seamless automated spend management solution. Here's how it works. Expense reports are automatically created and stored in the cloud. making them faster and easier to complete and submit. This solution improves visibility into employee spend through detailed reporting of
Boards allow you to discover emerging issues and experience gaps before they escalate, empowering your teams to transform customers into advocates and detractors into promoters. LEA CX is the only customer experience management platform with proactive CX action campaigns.
Here are some ways our customers are using AppFolio Property Manager to effectively communicate with their residents, owners, and each other during this time. Use bulk text messages and email to communicate broadly and frequently with your residents as your rent or maintenance policies may change, or access to community amenities is limited.
Each product is activated. Now they're ready to connect, wherever you choose to send them. We connect you to a global ecosystem of pre-integrated operators. This lets you make the most of roaming where it makes sense, as well as local subscriptions in countries with roaming restrictions.
To exchange transactions in any format, removing confusion of standards and barriers to commercial models. Because universal commerce uses blockchain technology, you achieve an unrivaled level of authentication and accountability. Every transaction is validated by participants through a calculation process.
Some guy in a fancy suit has a new tool that's going to solve all your IT problems. We don't blame you for ignoring yet another sales pitch. It's hard not to be cynical when you've been let down time and time again. But at Moogsoft, we get it. We know what it's like.
Efficient, time-consuming, and painful, often moving teeth where they don't need to be. That's why Lightforce is changing the face of orthodontics. Our digital platform empowers orthodontists with 3D tooth movement tools that offer unmatched customization and precision.
Out, keeping everything you need to be an effective board member in one place. AppFolio partners with board members to continually evolve our software to ensure you're always on the most cutting-edge version, making it easy to juggle your board member responsibilities with your work, family, and other commitments. Want this to be your board member experience? Share this with your
in accounting builds an app that updates and autofills customer data in any forms you use. Sales can use it. Warehousing, logistics, legal, marketing, even HR. It's easily available for anyone in your entire organization. And if you want to take your apps to the next level, you can add advanced functionality.
Employees and vendors. Here's how the process works to save you money and give you peace of mind that your waste is properly handled. Smarter Sorting's backup store machine, the Retail Sys, connects retailers with our product genome database. The product genome is a data structure that lists a product's physical and chemical makeup.
Gone are the days of delivering costly, time-consuming, and paper-based building compliance. But many teams still find themselves stuck in the past. Our highly configurable web-based platform digitizes the collection, storage, analysis, and reporting of your building condition assessment and compliance data.
And at some point lose track of who is doing what and when. So they plan ahead by breaking down large-scale projects into smaller pieces and allocate tasks to available resources. Introducing Roadmap. Roadmap is a simple
planning with DNS GSLB. At Innovation Corp,
To access business applications, Meg and Tom's web traffic goes to the same data center in San Francisco. For DRP, they have a backup data center in Dallas. So Tom